This video provides a solution to exercise 1. In this drawing we have some spot elevations that are just AutoCAD text, and you can see that they are in 2D. We also have some survey features, and these are represented by polylines, which are also in 2D. The red polyline outside of the site will be used as a boundary for the survey surface. We're going to create a surface from the survey data, and we're going to combine this with a surface from a DEM file that covers a wider area to create a complete existing ground surface. First, create a surface for the survey. From Prospector, right-click on Surfaces and create a new surface. Name this surface 2D Survey and give it a style of contours 1 foot and 5 foot background. We need to add our text spot heights to the surface, but first we must make them 3D. From the Modify ribbon tab, choose Surface, then from the Surface Tools panel select Move to Surface, and then Move Text to Elevation. Use a window crossing to select everything in the survey. We can see that the text now has a Z value assigned. In Prospector, expand the surface definition and add the text to the surface using drawing objects. Use the text filter and a window crossing to add all of the text items. Now we'll add the survey features as break lines. Because these polylines are in 2D, they'll be proximity break lines. We'll add them as a crossing again, but before applying the selection, type R followed by Enter on the command line and remove the red boundary polyline from the selection. Finally, for this surface, we'll add the boundary. This will be an outer boundary, and we'll use non-destructive to trim the surface to the boundary. Select the red polyline in the drawing as the boundary. To fix these errors in the surface, we're going to use the Surface Build options to set the minimum elevation value. Open the Surface Properties, and on the Definition tab, expand the Build options. Exclude elevations less than is set to yes, and the elevation will be 300. Click OK and rebuild the surface. Now we'll create a new surface for the DEM model. Name the new surface DEM and use a style of contours 2 foot and 10 foot background. Expand the DEM surface in Prospector and expand its definition. Right-click on DEM files and choose Add. Select the Iowa 25 ADJ TIFF file and click Open. Then click OK to add the DEM file. The DEM surface will look like this when viewed in the Object Viewer. Now we'll create a new surface for the existing ground and add the survey and DEM surfaces to it. Create a new surface, name it Existing Ground, and set the style to contours 1 foot and 5 foot design. Expand the surface and its definition. Right-click on Edits and choose Paste Surface. Paste in the DEM surface, then repeat the process to paste in the 2D survey surface on top. Now review the new existing ground surface in the Object Viewer. You can see clearly now on the new existing ground surface where the 2D survey has been pasted on top of the DEM file to create our completed existing ground.